I'm just using some of this Turtle Wax trim restorer just to restore the blackness of my trim pieces. So after putting a thick, generous coating of the trim restorer, left it overnight to soak in, and now just gently wipe it off, and this gives that beautiful black natural plastic look. It's beautiful. Okay, I finally got back in. Never want to do that again though. Tell you what, these little clips are a bitch to get in and out, especially the ones that are like inside these things, like hidden. Trying to get them in, and then I put them back in the wrong order anyway, so then I had to try and pull them out, and anyway, half an hour later, a few swear words and she's back. So anyway, looks great. Way better than it was before. All clean, just got to put the window wipers back on now. So even after that, I found another clip, this one here. It actually had moved, so I couldn't actually, it wouldn't line up with the hole, so I had to try and get a screwdriver in there, and 10 minutes later, finally put it through and popped it in, so it's all sitting flush. Finally finished. Looking heaps better now that I've put this plastic cover back on. Just cleans up the whole front end. It's coming together, guys. So I've just finished installing the new wiper frames onto the wiper arms. The old ones are a little bit rusty and stuff. I repainted them, but they just weren't quite right. So got a new set, painted up the arms, and ready to chuck them on the car. I'll just check if it's in the right position. No, it's just a little bit too low. One little notch too low, so I have to adjust that. Yep, that's sitting perfect now. And finally, put the bolt cap back on. Beautiful. So how's this? The wiper arms are actually about 10mm different in length, just the arms of them. And then I wasn't sure if I'd put the right one on the passenger side. So I did a quick Google, and there's actually, you see that D there? D is for driver, and there's a P on that one for passenger. And even the caps that go over the little nuts, here is it? Right in there, has a little D for the driver's one, and a P for passenger. So there you go. There's something for you to know. So there we go, guys and girls, all finished. This section of the car anyway is all done. Cleaned out under there, cleaned it all up, cleaned the blades, cleaned the arms up, painted them, put trim restore on this, put new window wiper frames in, put it all back together, and well, at least that section is looking like brand new. Now for the rest of the car. Anyway, like and subscribe to my channel, like this video, give me a few comments, and tell me what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.